I will now show you how to use the different collection modes available on EmlidFlow. Let's proceed by connecting to our Rover. Go on to EmlidFlow, go to the collection tab and see what these available collection modes are. We'll open a project. Select a coordinate system. We're using the Hart 94 LO29 and also the South African datum. Select on Save. We'll select on Plus to measure. Once you have selected on Plus, you can select the setting icon. On the setting icon, you will now see the collect mode options. Let's look at the first option. The first option is instant. We'll select on Save. When you're using the instant option, once you have created or entered your point name, if you press on Save, this takes one measurement and saves immediately. Let's go back again. Now, let's select the averaging option. The averaging option averages your points for the set amount of time. In this case, the set amount of time is 5 seconds. When you have done this and you press measure, your point is averaged for 5 seconds, then it is stored. Let's look at the third option. The third option is auto collection. For auto collection, you've got two modes. You've got by time and you also have by distance. This is normally applicable when you have a long topographical survey that you need to do. You will normally mount your GNSS receiver or your rover on a vehicle. Then you will set it using the mode that you'll prefer. Normally, you will do this by distance. You could set it a distance of 1 meter or whatever distance interval you'd like to use. For example, let's use the one by time. Let's say for every second, the GNSS must receive or measure a point. We'll select on Survey and then we'll select on Start. As you can see, for every second, it is collecting a point. This is how you'll use the different collection modes.